Barbecue. You can't rush it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Pitmaster Cheez. We're out here at Penny Creek in Johns Island, South Carolina. Some St. Louis ribs we're gonna do up. And when it comes to barbecue, dirty SPG, all-purpose barbecue rub. Light cover, not heavy. Come back over the front. So you always shake your rub, always shake your rub. We hit it with my friend Mustard. You don't need a whole lot, it's just a binder, baby. We don't need a whole lot. We don't need a whole lot. We can get it all over. Now, because we're cooking on a Masterbuilt today, season the backside of my ribs. Normally I don't season the backside if I'm going convection or right over live fire, because I don't want it the sweetness and the brown sugar in the rub to char and burn. But because we're cooking on that Masterbuilt and we on propane and wood chunks today, I add a little sweetness to the back of them bones. There we go. Now we get back. Go down. They smell good. Oh man. Oh, that is torture right there. Apple cider vinegar.
What you at?
205, 205. I like to pull between 205, 210, depending on.
We got a new face here. What are you doing? She showed up because food was ready.
She smelled the food. I'm a sauce guy. Smoker open for me. Put these up. There we go. 10, 15 more minutes and we got ribs. Oh man. Slide out. Let's see what our bed look like on them. Oh yeah, that's some nice, look at that. Well folks, that's a wrap on our ribs. I would call it a mini comp backyard kind of quick trim. The rundown on our beautiful St. Louis style ribs. Piano keys. You ain't playing no piano keys, baby. Them ribs ain't ready. You know what I'm talking about? Remember, dirty SPG, salt, pepper, garlic by Pitmaster Cheez. That all-purpose rub. Now this is a sweet, savory type blend of rub. Give you a little sweet citrus and a little heat on the back. So we got this nice butcher top. Put down a little sauce on it. I'm gonna put them down like that. And I wanna come, look at that. And we didn't have these, we didn't let these rest a lot, but you can see we got moisture in there. Beautiful, great pork. And today we did all this on the Masterbuilt propane, a couple of wood chips.
They smell amazing.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good rib, huh?
What an amazing job.
Thank you.
It took a little while As you can see, the sun's down. It always takes a while.
Oh,
right?
yeah. Barbecue.
You can't rush it.
Hope to see you around. April 26th, right? We got something going?
We got something going.
We got something going. It's coming out now, April 26th, man. Y'all meet us out there on the water. We doing plenty of samples, giving away free barbecue. So you pull up to the food boat, holla at your boy Pitmaster Cheez. I'm out.
There we go.